Come test drive the 2025 CR-V Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, 8 speakers, compass, low tire pressure warning. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.